Hello, my name is Oscar and today we're going to make a chocolate orange flavour cake. It is chocolate cake mix with chocolate orange flavour frosting, orange coloured sauce with white chocolate and chocolate crispy balls. Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh! Orange with white chocolate it says. Chocolate balls? Interesting. Oh! Well, cake mix chocolate flavoured. Oh, so squishy. It's kind of heavy sometimes. What? Oh! What is this? I estimate it's chocolate icing. Oh, hang on. Chocolate orange frosting. Anything else? No. You will need a baking tin, 3 medium eggs, 200 millilitres of oil, 150 millilitres of water, a bowl, a spoon, and that's it. Step 1. Empty the cake mix into a bowl. Add the eggs, oil and water to the mix and beat together for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth and creamy. Ugh. Ew. It's white. It's burned. Chocolatey colour. Doesn't look like chocolate though. Oh! Okay. Put that there. Oh. Ooh, I'm trying to cover everything. Come on. Ready. Is that everything? You won't be cake mix for long. It's looking like all chocolate stew instead of some cake mix, some chocolate stew. Ooh, yuck. Sorry. Now I can't pick up any whole egg yolks because I squished them all, mixed them all into liquidy egg. Ugh. Could pick up a whole liquidy egg though. Yolk. Once it's smooth and creamy, you can put it in the baking tin. Let's put this bad boy in the oven for 27 minutes. Now the cake's out the oven and I've cut it and it's cool. Now I'm going to put some icing on. The middle. A bit. Don't squeeze too hard. Come on. I don't want to put on too much, but I don't want to put on none. Oh, it's coming. What's going on? Excuse me, Mr. Icing. Oh my. Oh. Spread it around. You can spread it around if you like. This looks so nice. Ooh, gimme. Now I put the top of the cake on and I put the rest of the icing on. Yeah. Chocolatey, chocolate. Chocolate. Ugh. Whoa! Oh my goodness. That was a big blob. Come on. Just like you did on the bottom half of the cake, spread it like you did on the top of the cake. And yeah, on the top of the cake. Cake. It's cake. I'm not quite an expert at this. Ugh. It's kind of strong for a knife somehow. Goodness knows how. Some on the sides too, Mr. Icing. You can go to the sides too, please. Drizzle the orange icing onto the cake. I'm gonna do it like a swirl, so it gets everywhere, to everywhere, even in the very sides. I'm gonna get in the very sides bravely. Hopefully this won't do me any harm. Putting some over there. I'm gonna see if I can put some over there. Test on the cake. Wow. Doesn't really want to come out. I'm getting loads. Oh, it didn't look like loads. Ugh. Come on. Just have to do it this way then. My way. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This cake. What? The outside of a packet's making my fingers all messy. Don't know how on earth that happened. It's nearly done. Oh, hang on. Nah. I think that's a lot. We'll set on here. So there's only one white ball, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. I'm gonna make a circle of them. That looks more like a pentagon. Way more like a pentagon. Oh, I'm going to put this one more to the side. When you go more into the cake, you'll start to just chop the balls of the coffee and me. Oh my word. Nice. Wait a sec. Chocolate bit detected. Yep. All for good. Push them in a bit now. So when you're cutting the cake, they could fall out. Taste the cake. Thought my estimate would be perfect. Nope. Ooh, this is good. Ooh, now I'm going to test the chocolate ball. They're a bit hard. They're obviously good. Still. These are one of the best cakes I've tasted in my life. Ah! Ah! Yummy.
What do you give that out of 10?
I'd give it a 10.9 if that, because that would be the most, because it's still on 10. 10.9.9.9, as many nines as I could. Because if it was 10.10, it would be 11. Oh. I forgot what to say. Goodbye.
Guess that again.